everyone, welcome to Ethnic Nature. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my avocado, banana and egg hair treatment mask. So make sure you've got your bowl, and then make sure you've got your avocados, which are very ripe. You don't want them to be too hard, otherwise it will not be able to make a nice paste. So just check and make sure that your avocados are ripe. So first I'm going to start cutting the avocados. Okay, that one wasn't too good, and then I'm going to just open all of them and just make sure that they're all okay, and then I'll start putting all the avocados into the mixing blender. I'm going to put all of them into the mixing blender, so I'm just going to move a little bit fast there. And then next you put your ripe bananas. Make sure the bananas are ripe. That's absolutely important. You need your bananas to be ripe. Okay, so you just break your bananas and put them into the bowl. Don't worry guys, there's nothing wrong with these bananas. They're just ripe, but they're actually very perfect for using in your hair treatment. So break all your bananas, put them into the bowl, into the blender, sorry. And once all the bananas are in the blender, next in comes the eggs. So you put in your eggs, and then when everything has been put into the blending machine, when everything is inside the blending machine, we cover the blender, and then we process the avocado, the banana and the eggs. Now guys, you need to know why this is one of the best hair treatment masks, hands down. Avocados are known to give hair that moisture that it needs, the shine that it needs, and eggs are known to give hair the protein, and just the combination of the avocado, the banana and the eggs, it's amazing for your hair. So just blend everything together, make sure that it's all infused and it's all blended nicely. Make sure everything is blended nicely, and your hair is going to truly thank you for this hair treatment. Okay, so we're just going to leave it to blend. Ensure everything is been broken down properly. You also don't want some of the banana residue to stay in your hair, so just make sure everything is blended properly. If you want, you can even use a sock or use a net to try and remove any other residue that might be inside the hair mask, inside the hair treatment mask. But I prefer to allow everything to be infused properly and to allow it to get into the hair the way it is. Okay, so continue blending. So guys, as I was saying, when you've actually done the puree of the egg, the avocado and the banana, the next thing that you'll need to do is then you will need to add in your oils. So first we take the blended avocado, the banana and the egg, and we pour it into our glass bowl. So you might be asking, whilst I'm pouring this, you might be asking yourself, if your hair is damaged and dull, does a hair mask made with banana and avocado help restore the beauty and the shine? Yes, it does. it does restore the beauty, it does restore the shine of your hair. Bananas have a lot of amino acids that help to protect your hair from the environmental damage, and citric acid that makes the hair shine. So you need to use a sizable number of these bananas to bring back the shine and the beauty of your hair. Okay, so just pour in everything into the glass bowl for the next part of our process. Now look at that, guys, isn't that beautiful? I love using DIYs. I love looking at my ingredients and seeing them infused together and bringing out that glorious color from the hair mask. So now that we have blended the avocado, the banana, and the egg, the next thing that we'll be pouring is going to be our oils. Guys, these are my favorite oils. Feel free to use the oils that you like. I like my argan hair oil, I like my garlic hair oil, and I also like my olive oils. I also like a bit of peppermint in there as well. So use whatever suits you. So don't think that these are the only oils that you can use. You can use whichever oil you like. So as I was saying to you, I was giving you the benefits of using bananas with the amino acids that help to protect your hair from the environmental damage, and the citric acid that makes your hair shine. Avocados are known to contain vitamin A and B, which is also very rich in oils that are easily absorbed by the scalp. So this is why we like using this hair treatment. Avocados are absolutely amazing for your hair. You get your vitamin A and your B that help you to have a healthy scalp. Okay, so in comes in our oils. So I'll start pouring my oils into the hair mask, and then finally at the end I'm going to tell you guys about my favorite clay, hands down, the Kaolin clay. Okay, so I'll put in a little bit of the yogurt just to give that texture. Yogurt is also very good for the hair, and I like using the organic type of yogurt, so it's an organic yogurt, organic plain yogurt. So we'll pour in a little bit of that as well into the treatment. Okay, so I'll be using my cap to measure, but sometimes I actually don't use anything to measure, so you can put in you can use your measuring cap. I like pouring maybe 3 caps full of my olive oil. And then I start using my argan oil as well, one of my favorite oils to use. So pour in your argan oil, and then you follow with your garlic oil as well. Let me tell you, these oils are absolutely amazing. Try and use whichever oils you like, whichever oils are suitable for your hair. But for me, I like using these 5 oils that I'm showing you today. So whilst I'm still putting in these oils, I was telling you a little bit about the major ingredients, which is the egg, the banana, and the yogurt, and also the avocado. So while the egg will nourish your hair with protein, the banana that I'm putting in will provide the moisturizing part from the egg. So you can put in your olive oil. I don't use milk, I will use my yogurt. So using my yogurt, it will strengthen and it will give the shine that will enable my hair to shine a lot better. So just add in your oils, and then we will be blending everything together until it is infused well, and then you'll see the beauty of using all these different oils. And then lastly, I'm adding in a little bit of that vegetable glycerine, which is also absolutely amazing for the hair. So all these oils do different things to the hair, provide different nutrition to the hair. This is why I like seeing my ingredients going into my treatments. That way I'm able to know if I'm giving my hair all the goodness that it needs. Okay, so all the oils are in. Okay, so now we can start mixing the oils and the yogurt together until everything is properly blended. Okay, so at this point, I do set aside the stick and then I start pouring in my favorite. Now, guys, hands down, I've said it before, I love using a lot of clays in my hair. Now, there's so many benefits that you can get from your clays. And today's clay is called Kaolin clay. So you might even be asking yourself, what are the benefits of kaolin clay? Now, the benefits of kaolin clay on your hair is that it gently cleanses your hair and your scalp without excessively drying it. And one of the best things that kaolin clay is known to provide for your hair is that it stimulates blood circulation and it gently exfoliates the scalp while cleansing the hair at the same time. You know, that is absolutely amazing. The moisturizing properties of kaolin clay, the strengthening of your hair, improving its elasticity, and helping to repair the damaged hair shaft is what kaolin clay is all about. So this is why kaolin clay should be included in your hair mask. I've never seen anyone do this before, but I do it because I've started seeing the benefit of putting my kaolin clay in different hair masks, in different hair treatments, and in my conditioners as well. So it smooths the scalp and help treat the dandruff from your hair, and thereby in turn encouraging hair growth. So this is the benefit of kaolin clay. So if you are looking for a way of improving your hair texture and improving your hair growth, put in some kaolin clay and you will get all the beautiful ingredients and all the beautiful properties that kaolin clay has. Okay, so I continue mixing everything together. Adding in more of my kaolin clay. So as I always say, it all depends on how you like your mask or how you like your treatments to feel on your hair. For me, I like making sure that my hair is totally saturated in the mixture. So guys, this is what I had for you today.